Hi friends, Dr. Tim Garcia coming to you from my chiropractic wellness center here in Ventura County. And I wanted to get a quick thought out to you guys about what we think about our beliefs and our emotions, because I think they're very limiting to our health and to our lifestyle. And I got an example for you because yesterday I was sitting down in the medical clinic where I work with a family practice doctor, some pharmacists, and a drug representative. And they were talking about drugs on diabetes. Of course, I'm sitting there trying to bite my tongue about lifestyle and diet and proper emotional outlook, exercise, chiropractic. They know I'm a chiropractor, but I was observing, I was listening, trying to learn something. And they acknowledged the fact that most people get better with what they call TLC, therapeutic lifestyle changes. So they acknowledge that, but their strength and their idea and their reason, the reasoning behind giving so much medication is that a lot of patients do not comply. They're non-compliant. They don't do the right things. So these patients then, therefore, have to rely on medication to help supposedly save their life, keep them healthy. I mean, come on. It's not going to keep them healthy. Maybe it'll keep their values on their test score lower, but trust me, they're not going to be any more healthy because of the devastating effects on chemicals, intoxication of chemicals, other effects that they have besides the intended effect to that disease, as you well know. But here's the thought. Why would somebody in their right mind not do the things they need to do in order to stay healthy, in order to have wellness, in order to achieve optimal health and prevent morbidity, dying, infirmary, disease? And the reason is because they can't emotionally or mentally do the right things that blocks the right behavior. And, you know, this is for anybody. It could be in any endeavor you do, because it's our thoughts that create our beliefs, that create our values, that create our behaviors. So if you don't believe you could, let's say, diet or eat the right things, then obviously you won't. And there's a ton of people very sick out there. There's a ton of people that are overweight, diabetes, etc. So very important is what we think, what we fill our minds with, how we talk to our own selves. Because there's so much confusion when it comes to health care. Otherwise, everybody would be healthy. Now, nobody wants to be sick, yet they're not doing the right things for their health. People have ideas that are brought out by corporations, by television, media, that form our popular wisdom, our popular culture, our common wisdom, whereas the truth is the natural way for health is through dietary concerns, emotional, mental stability, and of course exercising, and of course chiropractic care to make sure these life-giving impulses, nervous impulses from your brain to your body and back again are uninterrupted and functioning optimally all the time. And it's a far cry, that idea, from, oh, I got a sore neck or crick in my back. I've been invited to be a part of a drug addiction treatment center as a chiropractor, rendering chiropractic, because your mind and your emotions and your thoughts and your emotions have an effect on your body. So it's your challenge to get through the things that aren't true. It's your challenge to find the truth, and it's your challenge also to recognize the truth when you hear it. From there, then you could form other ideas and other beliefs, and eventually people will see the wisdom the natural wisdom in natural health care. There's other health cares, obviously, that are just as valid. I went to a energetic healing, theta healing seminar last night, and it's emotional. They point back to the emotions. Motion has physical impact. So these are the things that chiropractic also can address, but it's up to you to address them as well, if you're a patient, or even if for wellness, if you want to improve, if you want to have higher performance. Just a thought for the day. I want you guys to take it into consideration. Dr. Tim Garcia coming to you from my Wellness Center. See you later.